front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display. Then scroll again, this time to select Font Size and Style. And when you're ready, operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it. When you're ready, go back. All of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!